Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new suspension, tire repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers in the products and services we provide. Visit us at www.alexandriatoyota.com to print out money-saving service coupons, schedule a service appointment, read about our award-winning service department. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota is located at 3750 Jefferson Davis Highway in Alexandria, Virginia.